In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open an SVG file in Canva. If you've ever tried uploading an SVG and weren't sure why it didn't work or how to edit it properly, don't worry. You're about to learn everything you need to know in just a few minutes. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. It's a high-quality, resolution-independent file format, meaning no matter how big or small you make it, it always stays crisp and clear. That's why it's commonly used for logos, icons, and illustrations. Alright, let's dive right into Canva and see how it's done. First, open Canva and log into your account. Once you're inside, go to your homepage. At the top right corner, you'll see the points, create a design button, but instead of creating something new, we're going to upload an existing SVG file. Click on the Quench Uploads All tab from the left-hand panel, then click Upload Files. From here, navigate to your computer and select the SVG file you want to open. Canva will automatically upload the file and you'll see it appear under your uploaded media. Now, here's something important to note. Canva supports SVG uploads only for Canva Pro Plus users. If you're using the free version of Canva, you can upload SVGs, but you might not be able to edit all the elements inside the file. You'll see it as a single flattened image instead of separate editable parts. However, if you have Canva Pro, you can upload and fully edit SVG files just like any other Canva element. Once the upload is complete, click on your SVG file from the Uploads panel and it will instantly appear on your design canvas. Now you can resize it without losing any quality. Try dragging the corners and you'll see it remains perfectly sharp. You can also change the colors of different shapes or layers inside the SVG if it was created with editable vector elements. If your SVG file isn't editable and you need it to be, make sure the original file was saved with vector-friendly layers from a program like Adobe Illustrator or Inkscape before importing it into Canva. Once you're done editing or customizing your SVG design, you can download your project in any format you need, like PNG, JPG, or even export it again as an SVG if you're using Canva Pro. And that's it. You've just learned how to open and use SVG files in Canva. It's a simple process, but understanding the SVG limitations and Pro features really helps you get the most out of your design workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Canva tips and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing with Canva.